Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to your English grammar class. In today's grammar class, we are going to learn about articles. Repeat after me, articles. Now they are nothing but a and the articles. Now what are a and the and why do we need them? To point out the noun in a sentence. Okay, so wherever there's a noun in a sentence, to point that noun, would point out that noun, we use a and the articles. For example, a girl is eating an orange in the school. A girl, who is the noun here? The girl. So a is pointing at the girl, which is a noun, is eating an orange. Now remember, noun, person, place, animal, things. So girl was a person, orange is a thing. So an is pointing at the noun orange, which is a thing. In the school. Now school is a place, person, place, animal, things, noun. And so school is a noun and the is pointing at the noun school. So every time we use a and the, it is used to point out a noun. Quickly write this down in your notebook. Moving on, let's look at the article a. The article is a. It's used before a word that begins with a consonant. That begins with a consonant. Now, what is a consonant? We know vowels, right? We know vowels. 1 minute. We know vowels. What are vowels? Tell me. 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Now, any alphabet, any letter apart from A, E, I, O, U is a consonant. So, whenever we use the article A, we will use only for consonant, for B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. So, you see A is missing, E is missing, I is missing, O is missing, U is missing. सो ए ई आई ओ यू के अलावा बाकी जितने भी अल्फाबेट्स है उन सब के पहले वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द आर्टिकल अ, राइट, एंड इट्स यूज्ड ओनली टू पॉइंट आउट सिंगुलर नाउन्स. सिंगुलर नाउन्स मीनिंग कोई भी एक नाउन, बहुत सारे नाउन नहीं, कोई भी एक नाउन, एक पर्सन, एक प्लेस, एक एनिमल या एक थिंग. ऑलराइट, सो let's look at a few examples. A cow. How many cows? One cow. So a cow. Singular nouns. And cow starts with the alphabet C. Cow starts with the alphabet C. And C is a consonant. It's not a vowel. It's not A, E, I, O, U, right? So that's why a cow. Next, a beetle. A beetle. So B is not A, E, I, O, U. It's a consonant alphabet. That's why a beetle. And a deer. D sound, deer. Moving on. Let's look at the article an. It's used before a word that begins with vowel sounds. Okay, vowel sounds. Now, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So any word that begins with the vowel sound, that begins with the sound of A, E, I, O, U. Now, A sound is A, E sound is A, I sound is E or even I, O sound is O, and U sound is A. So any word that begins with these sounds will have the article an before them. It's also used to point only singular nouns. Singular nouns means koi ek hi noun, right? Not many nouns. Not an children, no. Not an ice creams, not an umbrellas, no. Only one. An umbrella, an ice cream, right? Moving on. Let's look at a few examples. An apple, ek apple, and look at what the word is starting with. It's starting with A alphabet and the sound is A. So an apple. An elephant, E sound, elephant. An ice cream. All right. So let's move ahead and look at the article the. Now this one is very important because there is no strict rules कि consonant में होना है या vowels में होना है, but it's used when we are talking about something particular. Particular मतलब कोई एक ही चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, like the sun, the moon, or something that we've already spoken about. If we've spoken about a girl, so then we can use the girl. Let's look at a few examples. The sun rises in the east. Now there is only one sun, so only so particularly wahi, the sun rises in the east. और ईस्ट भी एक ही डायरेक्शन है, राइट? दुनिया में बहुत सारे ईस्ट डायरेक्शन नहीं है, एक ही डायरेक्शन है. सो द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट, मतलब एक ही वो सन है जो कि एक ही हमेशा ईस्ट से ही राइज करता है. द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, हाउ मेनी प्रेसिडेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया डू वी नो? There's only one president of India, right? So the president of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Who is the teacher in your class? Now there will be only one teacher in your class, right? So who is that teacher? वो teacher कौन है जो तुम्हारे class में? Who is the teacher? That teacher. Okay. So that's about the article. Now there are a few exceptions that we need to remember. Remember, Didi said vowel sounds and not vowels. For example, honest. The word here is honest. Now, it might start with the consonant H. It might sound, is it starting with a vowel A, E, I, O, U? No, it's starting with H. But the way we pronounce it, the way we speak it is honest. See, it's starting with A. The sound is honest. So the sound is that of a vowel sound. That's why we write an before honest. An honest man. Now think of all these words. For example, an hour, an honest man. Now also think of more words जो कि consonant से चालू होता है, but उसका sound जो है वो vowel की तरह आता है. Think, okay, there are a lot of words with specifically the letter H. Now let's look at this word, university. Though it starts with U, but what is the U sound? The U sound is a, right? So are we reading as university? No, we're reading it as university, which is starting with the sound Y. That is why we will use, and Y is not a vowel, right? A, E, I, O, U. Y is not a vowel, so that's why we want to use a before university. A university full of students. Now there are a lot of words जो कि begin with a vowel, but actually वो sound जो आता है वो vowel का sound नहीं आता, वो किसी consonant का sound आता है. So उन सब words के पहले we are going to use the article a. Now let us practice a few questions. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Dash interesting book. Now here the word starts with a vowel I and the sound is also E. So an interesting book because vowel, right? An interesting book. Dash popular leader. It starts with P. So a popular leader. A popular leader. I'm not having dash good day. A and other. I'm not having a good day. I'm not having an good day. I'm not having the good day. So I'm not having a good day. Because it doesn't start with a vowel और हम कोई एक particular चीज की बात नहीं कर रहे. Generally, I'm not having a good day, right? She is dash excellent orator. Now this starts with E, which is a vowel, and the sound is also A. So she is an excellent orator. Raman is dash most intelligent student in the city. I think what the sentence is saying is Raman is city का सबसे intelligent student है. So we're talking about the particular one person, Raman, who is the most intelligent student. So here we are going to write the, क्योंकि it's a very particular thing, right? एक intelligent student नहीं, सबसे intelligent student, the most intelligent student. So that's why the. Tim brought dash orange to share. Tim brought an orange to share. Why an? Because this starts with the vowel sound A. Dash Taj Mahal is popular tourist place in Agra. So there is only one Taj Mahal. So a Taj Mahal we won't write. So we're going to, it's particular. So I'm going to write the Taj Mahal is a popular tourist place in India. Why not an? Because it doesn't start with a vowel. And why not the Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is the popular tourist place. No, because India में और भी बहुत सारे popular tourist place है. So it is one of the popular tourist place in India. So the Taj Mahal is a popular tourist place in India. Quickly write all of this down in your notebook. And now it's time for worksheet. Now Didi is going to give you a worksheet and now you have to do the worksheet and submit it to your bhaiya or Didi before 4 p.m. Remember, you cannot submit it late after 4 p.m. So you have to submit before 4 p.m. All right. Ask any questions to your bhaiya or Didi or Freya Didi if you have any doubt. And yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.